We turn now to the drug Primodos and its alleged relationship to birth abnormalities and even miscarriages and stillbirths. As covered last night on Checkpoint, the drug was prescribed in New Zealand in the late 60s and early 70s. MedSafe said yesterday it appears to have been available from 1966 and was removed from pharmacies in 75. Beyond that, conjecture. How many women took it, not known, but in Britain it was 1.5 million. Now, this is a pregnancy test using key ingredients at concentrations equivalent to 13 morning after pills. And both here and in the UK and Germany, it appears to have been given with little or no discussion of its ingredients or warning about the risk. Documentation is scant, perhaps because, as with the mother we spoke to earlier, it was sometimes given directly by a GP without a pharmacist or prescription being involved.
What I recollect is going in and telling him I thought I might be pregnant, and I think he gave me the pills. I don't remember going to the chemist to pick them up, and they were just in a little bottle, and he just told me to take these pills, and I don't even remember saying, well, you know, you'll get you. I don't remember him saying anything else, just take these pills and we'll see, is sort of basically what I remember.
Yes, it's interesting. We had a different relationship with our GPs when you and I were younger, didn't we? We just, you know, they told us to do things and we did them. So there was no declaration about risk, no discussion about risk, no discussion even really about how the drugs worked.
No. No, it's like you said, you know, it's like I just thought it, because this was my third pregnancy, and I know with the other two I'd had urine tests. But I didn't ask. I just thought I'll just do as I'm told.
What do you think about all of this now as you watch this story unfold, and the reporter who has broken the story has documents suggesting that the risk was as high as 1 in 5?
I think when I saw it, I just thought, gosh, you know, after thalidomide, because of course in my day, thalidomide was quite a big news item, and I thinking, you know, after the thalidomide, I'm sure that they would have been more careful what they gave to a pregnant woman. So I was surprised.
And so just to recap, the circumstances are you are in with your GP, you say, I think I might be pregnant. On the spot, your GP gives you these pills and says, here, take these.
Yes, and I don't know if he said you'll get your period if you're not, or just like take these and we'll see. It was basically what I remember, and you know, and I went home and took them. Yeah.
I'm curious because you said with your first two babies you had a urine test, right? Your first two pregnancies,
yeah.
Sorry. But so this third one, urine tests were clearly available. You'd had them previously. Have you any idea why you weren't offered a urine test again?
No, I guess I just accepted that this was a different way of doing it. It was a different doctor, of course. I was staying in Wellington with my mother. I was living in Wellington. I lived there for a short time. And it was a different doctor, so I just assumed that's what the different doctor did.
That was a woman, one of the women who took the drug in New Zealand. This afternoon, MedSafe said it was waiting on drug company Bayer to provide an indication of the volume of doses of Primodos distributed in the country. Bayer denies that Primodos was responsible for causing any deformities in children.